How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to drop a quick video to update y'all on the channel, where it's going, what to expect in the future, and all that fun stuff. You probably have noticed the huge amount of shorts that have been posted to the channel lately. I've been experimenting with short vertical content the past month or so, and that's kind of the direction I'm thinking of taking the channel for now, and just experimenting with that. It's no shocker that type of content is widely popular right now with like Instagram Reels and TikTok and all that fun stuff. And I've been having a lot of fun doing videos, recording videos, doing all that fun stuff, and not having to like edit as much. They're like much shorter, a lot easier to put together and throw together and share my creativity and share things a lot faster and more efficient. So I'm gonna continue working on that. I'm thinking there's some opportunities there to maybe try and do like super fast 1 minute long tutorials or things of that nature. So if any of that kind of like interests you, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. But yeah, that I'm just kind of thinking of moving in that direction. The other thing I wanted to announce today is that I've been working, and actually I teased this maybe a couple months ago about the idea of an Irish dancing Discord. Well, I've been working on that. I've been trying to research and understand Discord more myself, because I didn't, and still I'm learning the lingo of it all. But now I'm at a certain point where I feel like we can move forward with it. And I need to quickly shout out and thank Jack Brady, an Irish dancer overseas, who reached out to help educate me and help actually create and coordinate this Irish Dance Discord. So thank you so much, Jack. We now have a pretty well functional and working Irish Dance Discord channel that I'm happy to announce and say it's ready to go today. Link is right down below, where you can go and join and be a member of. But like I hinted to in the previous Discord channel video, I think there's a lot of potential with Discord to further connect all of us in Irish dancing and what we're up to and what we're working on, and there's just a lot of opportunity there to further be able to communicate better. Right now we kind of are limited to YouTube comments and replies, or if you're a patron over on Patreon, you can communicate with me, but it's all kind of messy. So this kind of brings it all into one place, under one roof, and I hope that this can be that one roof. I'm thinking of actually doing a follow-up video with Jack where he can explain further what Discord is, how to get there, how to sign in, how to do all the stuff. I'm going to now attempt to go onto the Discord channel and talk you through some of the stuff that we've been working on. So let's go over there. Start. Okay, so we are on the Discord now, and you can kind of see, and I'll send like a link. There's like a link to get to this. But Discord's an app. It's kind of like the Facebook Messenger app, or like WhatsApp or something. But there's just like so many more extra things we can do with something like this. And when you get to so there's like a welcome message that'll like welcome you to the Discord. Welcome to the server. This is Jack right here with the car logo. Welcome to the community Discord for Irish dancers worldwide. Got many Irish dancers, staff members, and people to help you with your Irish dancing and all that fun stuff. And we got some rules and whatnot, but it's all, we're all trying to have fun here, so hopefully that's understood. And there's roles we can give, like each when you sign up, and right now it only gives us 2, so I decided, let's do Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere, because I think that's kind of the biggest thing, is like knowing where somebody is in the world, right? So if like you're waiting for somebody to answer your message or something, they might be on the other side of the world sleeping or something. So, you know, Jack helped me a good bit with setting up all this kind of stuff. I think, oh, yep, I added this little announcement, process of drafting the video to announce the Discord channel. That's what this is. All details will be in the video, possibly follow the tutorial. Yeah, so also, I threw it to Jack as an idea to maybe do a follow-up tutorial that he posts that kind of goes through all of this a little better than right now I'm doing a terrible job, but I'm at least explaining how we get here. You can see this right corner, you can see that I'm online. It shows, so these are like bots that help with running the Discord channel, but you can see all these people. These are some of our channel who've already joined and started kind of like beta testing it for us. So you'll see who's offline and who's online. That's pretty cool. Rules, fun stuff, community guidelines, easy. You know, you already know what that is. About me, that's kind of fun. This is a server invite link. So I think this is the link that we can send that will invite people to the channel. So if you have like a friend that would like, you both want to join or something, this is like the link that you distribute, and it should bring you here, and you should be able to like sign up. Reaction roles. This is how you get your role, which side of the world you're from. I think that would then put me over on the Western Hemisphere. Yep, there you go. Support. So that's the support. That's the ticket tool. Like if there's like a glitch or something wrong with the Discord, this sends the ticket straight to me and straight to Jack, so we can try and fix whatever's going on. Oh, and now I'm on the dance lounge. So this is like something else we're playing around with, but like having like a chat function where like we can all be like having a class or, oh, I don't know what I'm doing now. Disconnect. So I was thinking to maybe possibly bring back some live streaming to the channel, and we could have this as like a way to communicate even further during those live streams. Like if we do like a pop-up dance class through YouTube Live, this could be like also opened to like, you know, be kind of like a medium, be a bridge. I don't know. But there's voice channels for like a dance lounge, practice room. Oh my gosh. See, I'm still learning this stuff. And general voice channel. So we're still playing around with this idea, and the potential there is huge, obviously. So we're going to see how we can roll that out. I think the general voice channel is available to everybody. So yeah, this is a trial and error. You know, we're gonna see how it goes. See if this is something that could really help people, help you, help all this. We'll see how it goes. Take it from there. But the invite link will be in this video text below, the caption below, and yeah, we'll get rolling on this idea. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah. I guess that's the end of the video. Happy, you know, finally can announce this project, and another big shout out and thanks to Jack again for helping me out coordinating this. I'm sure you'll see and hear more from him if we need a follow-up tutorial on how to get here, how to sign up, how to do all this stuff. But I would love to hear your feedback on what you think of this, and if you have any comments, questions, concerns of getting onto the Discord or getting over there, just shoot, you know, comments below. You know what to do. So thanks everybody. I'll see you all in the next video. Happy dancing.